This evening, in recognition of Sadhguru's extraordinary and pioneering contributions to rural development through innovative solutions in nutrition, healthcare and education, IFIA Bharat proudly honors Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai with the award for exemplary innovation and humanitarian service.
IFIA Bharat recognizes that Sadhguru Madhusudan Sai's innovations transcend conventional boundaries, creating sustainable solutions that address fundamental human needs while fostering dignity, equality, and hope. His work exemplifies how innovation, when driven by compassion and guided by wisdom, can create lasting positive change in the lives of the most vulnerable populations.
Through his visionary leadership and innovative approaches, Sri Madhusudan Sai has demonstrated that true innovation lies not merely in technological advancement, but in the creative application of resources, knowledge, and human potential to serve humanity's greatest needs. And now, with deep reverence, the board of IFIA will honor Sadhguru by presenting a citation and memento. We request Dr. Hanumant Naidu, Dr. Satish Babu, Dr. Vishwanath, Mr. Anand Kannan, and Dr. Karthik Ramesh to join. And with this, we are delighted to announce that Sadhguru Sri Madhusudan Sai has graciously accepted the role of Honorary Founder Chairman of IFIA Bharat. May we please have the short curtain raiser video?
Today we mark a historic beginning. In association with Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprises, we launch IFIA Bharat at Sri Sathya Sai Grama, Mudanahali, a movement to ignite invention, innovation, and entrepreneurship for humanity. India, the land of limitless ideas and pioneering spirit, now takes a new step forward, where innovation meets compassion, invention meets service, and entrepreneurship drives human progress. IFIA Bharat, in association with Dr. Hiremath Global Enterprises, innovation in service of humanity.